Preparation for the upcoming mega event.
Beats him outside the off stump. Big appeal and given. Balbirnie falls. ګلبدين Naib's got the breakthrough. Taken by Mohammed Shahzad behind the stumps. And having done all the hard work and got to 20, Balbirnie's gutted. He's got to go.
Good bowling from ګلبدين Naib. It was a nice ball and had a good catch.
Yeah, here's the replay. It was outside the off stump. It was a drive, just not quite there to be driven. ګلبدين Naib, he knew straight away. Finding a thin outside edge through to Mohammed Shahzad, the keeper, who took a comfortable catch low down in front.
All aiming to play cricket and participating in sports.
Into the deep, and he's picked out the man. Sterling falls, and ګلبدين Naib, he flexes his muscles. He picked out Rashid Khan at deep square leg, and Paul Sterling's got to go for 50. Another 50 for the big Irishman, but he's going to be absolutely gutted to have given it away. And ګلبدين Naib, the skipper's doing the damage. Here's the replay. It was right onto his hip, a shorter ball, and it went straight down Rashid Khan's throat.
Yes, very important wicket. Paul Sterling was playing.
Naib comes into bowl to Kevin O'Brien. Kevin O'Brien, put of a length. Oh, and he's picked out the man. Diving catch there at mid-on, just into the pitch again. That man we keep talking about from the first game, and here again, some crucial wickets for Naib.
Naib again, just a one, just back of a length. Probably try to dig it in a little bit shorter. And Kevin falls for it. Now I see it here in the replay. Just didn't get it up and over, or didn't get it quite off the meat of the bat, and straight to wide mid-on. Simple enough catch in the end.
Dad, he could be in the mix. He's having a smile behind the stumps. Slower ball from ګلبدين Naib. Huge appeal given. McCarthy falls. Given by Sean George. Career best for him is in the books, but he's gone for 18.
Gone for 18, and the change has done the trick again for Afghanistan. Naib with the wicket. Slower ball, as we see here in the replay.
Yeah, beautifully bowled out of the back of the hand. Completely deceiving McCarthy, and he's trapped straight in front.
Yeah, Don McCarthy all ends up there, hasn't he? And that's absolutely dead. There's I'm putting Ireland to the sword here today.
Hit into the sky, straight to the man at mid-off. That's the 9th wicket, and it's a career best for the bodybuilder, ګلبدين Naib. He flexes the muscles at the crease. The new Afghan captain, he's doing the business with the ball. He's got a fifer.
First fifer for Naib. Naib. As you say, the former bodybuilder has come out here today and been as aggressive as he possibly can be. But you know, they have the foot on the Ireland throat, and they've just squeezed.
Here's the replay. Tim Murder was looking to smash this one down the ground. His hand came off the bat, could only fly off the outside edge. And it's Asghar Afghan, the former captain, who takes an easy catch. A little acknowledgement to the crowd. He's not going to drop that for his new favourites, and then you can't really look past India or the reigning champions Australia. As Gary Wilson hits it to mid-wicket, Rashid Khan, he takes the catch. That's going to end the match. As Afghanistan, they square the series. They're going to run out winners by 126 runs.
And 6 wickets for captain ګلبدين Naib. Thoroughly deserved ball, very, very well.